Hello everyone. Today I visited the SA12 Gaming House which is in Navi Mumbai as they had a Esports World Cup watch party at their gaming house where SA12 fans can come and chill together and watch the Esports World Cup from the SA12 Gaming House. SA12 Gaming House, or we can say SA12 Bootcamp, where India's top gaming creators and esports athletes live together and create top class gaming content in this gaming facility. Each and every gaming creator and esport player has their own streaming setup where they can stream and create amazing gaming content. If you guys are wondering how you guys can be the part of SA12 watch party, I am here to help you all. You guys can simply go to SA12 Esports Instagram handle, go to their bio, you'll get a Google form which you can fill and apply for SA12 Gaming House watch party. As we entered the boot camp, there were so many SA12 fans. First, we have to register ourselves on the registration desk, and then there's a YouTube Shorts booth as YouTube is one of the partners of SA12 in the Esports World Cup. So there's a fun thing, if you create a YouTube short near the YouTube booth, you'll get a brand new SA12 jersey. This is the SA12 chill zone where the watch party is there. You can come, sit here, watch the Esports World Cup. There are food boxes as well, and also Campa Energy for everyone, as Campa Energy is also one of the sponsors of SA12 in Esports World Cup. As you can see, the first matchup was between Naderbek versus Pranesh, and today it was an unfortunate day for SA12 players as both Nihal and Pranesh lost their matches and are into the lower brackets of Esports World Cup and will be playing lower bracket matches tomorrow, that is 13th of August. By the end of the day, we also had few SA12 creators who was there to meet all the SA12 fans, and there was a big personality also over there, which is Soul Mortal, who has around 7 million subscribers on his YouTube channel, and he is one of the legends of the gaming community. So yes, this was my day at SA12 Boot Camp for the Esports World Cup watch party. And if you guys also want the jersey, you can go to the SA12 watch party. It's till 15th of August. And this was it for today. Bye bye.
Let's go!
So this is the day 2 at the SATL boot camp, where the watch party was supposed to happen for the lower brackets who will advance to the quarterfinals. And today was a very good day for SATL as Nihal Sarin qualified for the quarterfinals, but a bit unfortunate that Pranesh couldn't make it to the quarterfinals, and Arjun from Genji Esports has made it to the quarterfinals. One of the SATL creator, SATL Jonty, celebrated with the fans as Nihal secured his spot to the quarterfinals. So this was our journey at the SATL boot camp, and I loved and enjoyed the watch party among the all SATL fans and creators. So this was it from us. See you in the next video. Bye bye.